This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by stopping the automatic sync. On the iPhone you want to change, open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud, then Photos. Once there, turn off iCloud Photos. You're preventing new images from flowing between devices. Make a choice when prompted. Download and keep originals if you want local copies, or remove from iPhone if you'll free up space. This first action severs the continuous sync channel, so make sure your important photos are saved elsewhere before continuing. Next, stop photo sharing that still pushes images across phones. Open Photos, go to Albums and then Shared Albums. Review which albums include the other iPhone. Once identified, leave the shared album or remove the other participant. Leaving stops future shares, while deleting an album removes content from the shared stream. If someone invited you, go to the shared album options and revoke access or remove the invite. Once done, make sure no active shared subscriptions remain tied to either device. Finish by double-checking that iCloud Photos is off on every iPhone you control. Open Settings, right arrow Photos on each device and confirm. Then visit iCloud.com or other Apple devices to ensure no lingering images remain linked. Sign out of any device you no longer want connected. If sync persists, sign out of your Apple ID on the troublesome iPhone, reboot, then sign back in. This often resets sync state. If problems continue, remove the device from your Apple ID at Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.